Good morning, traders. It is Friday morning. I've taken a position here, a long entry. This trade was called out in advance before it would happen within my charting service, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going for 40 ticks on this trade, and I will come back to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. By the way, for all of you charting members out there, I'm not using the breakout technique on this particular trade. I've jumped in and basically it's doing what I called in my charting service, and I said to watch out for that, and if it happens, get ready to go with it, and it's doing it. So should be right, should be going up here, no problem. And if it were to go back down, hit the stop, I would go short with it, but most likely this is just going to continue to go up here. The code looks good, and it just looks perfect. So anyway, this trade was called out in the charting service in different ways, and I will be back to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. Okay, I just had to reverse the position. The code is now saying that it is going to go down, so I am reversed here, and I'm going to go for 40 ticks on the reversal. I'll come back. For those of you in my charting service, over the weekend I'll explain to you why, or within the charting service over the weekend, sometime this weekend, I'll explain to you why I had to reverse the position there. And it's one of the things you have to watch out for on Friday. You could call it the Friday entry. And usually it doesn't happen very often, but lately it's been happening a lot more often, so it's definitely something I'm going to want to alert you to and let you know. And I'll also show you mathematically how I knew that it was going to go down, and that it had to be the code had changed, basically. So I'll tell you all about it and teach you about it in the charting service, so that you can have the heads up for it for next Friday and any following Fridays. I've talked about it before, but I'm going to talk about it again. Anyway, it's getting really late here. It's 11:21 right now in the evening on Friday night, and so I'm going to be going to sleep here very soon. It just needs to make it down to 98 for 40 ticks, and I'm all done for the day. I might not be able to stay up much longer though, so I'm just going to let it go, and it'll hit because that was the code. So anyway, I'll try to come back. If not, I'll come back when I wake up in the morning on Saturday. So I'll be back. Okay, I am back. It's now like almost 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, California time. And as you can see, the trade was successful for the 40 ticks. And so anyway, that is using the code 2, and I will hope you have a good weekend, and I will be back next week to do some more trading. And I'm scheduling the mentoring / training class coming in about 10 days, and I'll schedule that on the website. Anyway, hope you traders are doing well, hope you're learning, and hope you're being inspired by the codes, and I will see you next week. Happy trading.